After you have measured and drawn your room onto the sketch, it is important for you to add the additional features. These are things like windows, doors, and fireplaces. If you're in a bathroom or a kitchen, you will have utilities as well. These are all essentials that should also be on the plan. So before you leave the room, here's a good tip to make sure that you've got everything you need. After you measure each wall, it's a good idea to add the features of that wall whilst you're drawing it. In this example, you can see we measure in the reception room the left-hand wall. We then see that there's a fireplace, so we add the fireplace. We then measure the bottom wall and draw it onto the sketch. Then we do the right-hand wall, and on this wall there is a door which enters you into the room, so we add that feature. If you follow these tips, you can be sure that you have included all the features that are necessary for an accurate floor plan.